Yeah, it's true, man. I officially joined Project Zorgo. I'm a hacker now. Where are you taking me?
Take a seat, Daniel.
Okay, why am I sitting down here?
You of all people should know what this device is.
A lie detector test?
You got that right.
I'm telling the truth. I don't work for the Spy Ninjas anymore.
We're gonna strap you up, and Project Zorgo leader's gonna come here, and we're gonna test to see if you really are Project Zorgo or not.
Okay. Wait, where are you going? Getting the leader?
Stay put.
Guys, I am at the Project Zorgo headquarters right now. As you know, I'm trying to be a double agent spy. I've been pretending to join Project Zorgo to get secret information from them. But now they hooked me up to the lie detector test, and they're gonna find out that I'm just a big phony. He's gonna bring the Project Zorgo leader in, and then when he finds out that I'm just faking it, I'm gonna get in big trouble. They're gonna probably battle me or something. Oh, shoot. Oh, what? Wait, what the heck? Oh, Project Zorgo leader. Hello. Good to see you. Wait a minute. Are you the same guy that was just here?
Yeah.
What the heck? Why are you wearing a white shirt?
I'm Project Zorgo's lie detector hacker.
I always wear the white shirt when I'm the lie detector guy. And what the heck? Dude, you're wearing blue shoes. I always wear blue shoes. You're just copying me.
I'm better than you, Daniel, and I'm gonna prove it with this lie detector test. Boss, tell him what he's in for.
Daniel, is that a spy pen that you have on your shirt?
Oh.
You cannot fool me this time. I am too wise for such shenanigans.
I thought I'd broadcast this to the Project Zorgo channel or something.
We will now see if you are, indeed, a Project Zorgo member. PZ member, please document for Daniel.
Yes, boss.
Daniel, we have placed your old colleague, Chad Wildclay, into an oxygen-controlled Tesla. Every time we see that you are lying, we will lower the oxygen in the Tesla. You will have 3 chances. Take a look at your old friend through this laptop.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, he's locked up in the Tesla where he belongs.
You must complete the lie detector challenge to determine his fate.
What? I mean, yeah, Chad is a horrible man, I agree, but isn't that a little harsh?
He has stood in our way for far too long. Once Chad goes away, we can continue to take over YouTube.
Yeah, you're right. He needs to be silenced. He needs to be done.
Lie detector hacker,
Yes, boss.
please prepare the test for our guests.
Yes, boss. We will know if this guy is a lie detector or a lie maker.
Is he properly connected to the device?
Yes, boss.
Yeah, I think it's all good. It's all hooked up.
Not that you would know, this is Project Zorgo's latest lie detector. And it's better than yours.
How do we know? It might be faulty. Like, it might say I'm lying when I'm not actually lying.
One of our earliest plans to stop Chad Wildclay and Qwaint was to take control of all the electronics in their old apartment in California. The secret code word to cancel the mission was Mr. Skylight. Did you reveal this to them?
Great question, PZ leader. Really great question. I respect your question giving so much.
Hurry up already, Daniel.
Whoever said Mr. Skylight, that was a horrible thing to do. Ruined our plans. That was not me. No.
Daniel claims that he did not reveal our secret word. Is he telling the truth?
Daniel, no. You're lying.
Lying? Okay, there's definitely something wrong with your lie detector testing device. It doesn't work. We gotta look into that. I'll buy you guys a new one, and we'll get back on track.
Lying so early in the test. Shameful. This means less oxygen for Chad Wildclay.
Not much oxygen.
Oh my gosh, that's fine. You know, I don't care about Chad Wildclay anyway. He's not my friend. He never was. So this is okay.
Hey, boss, I have an idea. Here, put this down.
Spy pen. What are they doing over there? Okay, guys, this is not looking good at all. Their lie detector does work. I was the person who said Mr. Skylight and saved Chad and V. Dang, if I keep lying to them, Chad's oxygen is gonna slowly be depleted and he's gonna run out of air to breathe. I don't know what that guy's idea is, but while they're doing that, I have to come up with a plan. Maybe a way that I can, like, trick the lie detector test. Oh, one way to give a false reading on a lie detector test is to move your fingers. You know, this thing is hooked up to my fingers. It's measuring my heart rate, but if I just move my fingers like this, the computer won't be able to read my heart rate as well, you know? On some of these next questions, I'll just move my fingers. I bet that lie detector hacker doesn't know all that stuff. I'm the real lie detector expert. I mean, look at this guy. He's wearing the white shirt that I always wear when I'm doing lie detector tests. I mean, look at his shoes too, they're blue. Like my shoes are blue, he's just trying to be me. I mean, I can easily outsmart this guy. He doesn't know what he's oh, shit, they're coming back. Okay.
Back to business.
Daniel. PZ9 is a valuable asset to Project Zorgo. He is also the greatest fighter we've ever had, however, he went missing months ago. Do you know his whereabouts?
PZ9, yes. How I missed that guy. He was so good at fighting Chad and V. Yeah, whatever happened to him, oh, you know what? I think I remember. Back when PZ4 betrayed us, she ran into these cursed spirit tunnels, and PZ9 was on a mission to bring her back to us, and he chased her into the spirit tunnels. He never came out. And me and Chad, we saw PZ9 on the ground. He was so thirsty, he wasn't looking too good. So I tricked Chad and I said, let's help this guy out. I gave him water. You know, I nursed him back to health. I was helping him out. And then he just ran back in the tunnels after PZ4. So I did all I could do to save PZ9.
The cursed spirit tunnels are known for trapping lost souls within its depths. Lie detector hacker. Is this true?
That's honesty. Yeah.
This is great news, knowing the location of PZ9. One moment please, I will organize a squadron to rescue him.
Okay, yeah, great. Let's get that guy back on our side. What? Are we done here? Can I leave and get back to...
No, don't leave. We're just getting started. You're doing okay now, Daniel, okay?
Great, I think, yeah.
Yeah, except you lied on your first question, but now you're telling the truth, and I like it. I see why you did the whole lie detector thing. It's fun.
Dude, why you gotta copy my style 100%? The white lie detector shirt, the blue shoes? Copycats are the worst.
I hope you enjoyed the footage of Chad running out of oxygen, because you're a liar.
Well, like, who cares, right? Chad is the worst, you know? The less oxygen for him, the better.
Here's your spy pen again.
Oh.
I'll be back.
Thanks. Where are you going? Chad, can you hear me? I don't know if Chad can hear me on this thing. He's definitely losing oxygen. It's all because of me. I got lucky on that last question though, because the truth is that me and Chad, we did give PZ9 water, but it wasn't because we liked him. We just didn't want to see anybody, you know, suffer like that. But yeah, I guess that made me look good in front of the hackers, and it came out as the truth. But dang, Chad doesn't look like he's doing so good right now. I gotta figure out a way to, like I said, just remain calm and trick this lie detector test. Hang in there, buddy. What's that noise? Did you hear? Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a scooter!
Yeah, electric.
That's my thing too. I'm the scooter guy.
I'm doing it way better. And I don't need a lie detector to know that.
Oh, dude, you gotta be your own person, you know? Us Project Zorgo members, we all gotta have our own sense of style and...
I am. I'm a better version of you, Daniel.
Okay, whatever, man. Oh, I don't wear glasses. Okay, that's a good... Okay. Oh, welcome back, PZ Leader.
Let us continue with the testing to see if you really are back with us. Daniel, your next question. Has PZ4 continued to betray Project Zorgo by leaking information to the spy ninjas?
Yes. Yes, she has.
No way. Oh, yeah, that's true.
See, I'm telling the truth. You know, that's PZ4. I'm not PZ4. I'm with you guys. She's not.
Good boy, Daniel.
Me and her are most trusted colleagues, and she just betrayed me and all of us.
Yes. She has betrayed Project Zorgo just as much as she has betrayed you. Because you are being honest, we will not decrease the oxygen in the Tesla.
Alright, that's good.
Has there ever been a time where you have caused any physical harm to any other PZ members?
Injuring one of our own kind would be a horrible thing to do, Project Zorgo leader. No. I never did, and I never would beat up a Project Zorgo member.
Hey, that's a lie. I know it's a lie. I saw a time where he threw a hacker off a bridge, and another time where he punched a hacker. Yeah, you kicked him in the face. You kicked him in the face. That's a lie.
Hold on now. Let us refer to the machine to see if Daniel is lying.
Yes, it's a lie. You're a liar!
Your prize for lying is less oxygen for Chad Wild Clay.
Oh, wait, stop. Oh, sorry, Project Zorgo leader. I just want to make myself clear. I did lie. I did indeed beat up a couple Project Zorgo members. I kicked them, I punched them, threw them off bridges, but that was all to gain Chad and V's trust, to make them think I was really on their side. I know I should have told you guys that, but you know, that's what I did, so.
That is very interesting, Daniel, but you have still lied to us. And therefore, we will reduce the oxygen. Take a look. One more lie, and then all of the remaining oxygen will be gone from the Tesla.
Yeah, you'd like that, wouldn't you, Daniel? If you were really Project Zorgo.
Yes, I'll just lie on purpose so he loses oxygen, because I hate this guy right here.
Well, if you hate him so much, why don't you just press the button yourself?
Slow down there, lie detector hacker. We must not waste this opportunity. Are you truly and honestly rejoining Project Zorgo again?
Yes, of course.
I'm getting some strange readings. It's not like anything I've seen before from all the other hackers.
Lie detector hacker, let us regroup for a moment.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of thing you're doing, but you better stop it, okay?
I'm just telling the truth. Oh, guys, that totally worked. Did you see I was moving my fingers on those last couple questions? And I guess it gave like false readings to the lie detector test, and they don't know what's going on now. See, I'm definitely more of a lie detector expert than him. He doesn't even know that you're not supposed to wiggle your fingers like that. Just because you wear a white shirt, blue shoes, and have a scooter doesn't mean you know what you're doing. Oh, I wish he could hear me or something. I could just tell him that's gonna be okay. Wait a minute. Wait, guys, look. Look, that looks like it's Regina and V. They're going to the Tesla. Oh, they made it. They made it to rescue Chad. Okay, so V's a spy, Regina's an ex-hacker, so together they'll be able to like get Chad out of here and save him. Maybe they can like crack the windows down or something and he can get oxygen. This is great. Okay, hopefully the hackers don't see V and Regina there. I guess I can just lie now and it doesn't matter if he loses oxygen because V and Regina are there to save the day.
We have determined that you have been moving your fingers too much during the test. Do try to stay still, Daniel. We are almost complete. Let us continue with the examination.
Wait, what the heck is that? What? A drone? Are you doing that, Zorgo leader? What? It's you! What the heck, man? That's my thing. You're totally copying me in every single way. The shirt, the shoes, the scooter. Now the drone?
That is enough with the toys, lie detector hacker. Enough goofing around. Time to get back to work.
I just want to be the best lie detector there ever was.
Oh, well, that's not gonna happen, buddy. I mean, PZ1 is back in Project Zorgo. I'm the lie detector guy again.
Take the spy pen back.
Not true. It's so cool.
Daniel has been moving his fingers around.
You were?
Yeah, I didn't realize. I don't know why I was doing that.
You're not just only a liar, but you're also a cheater.
I wasn't doing it on purpose.
Okay, boss. Let's do this.
Okay, Daniel. No more tricks. Are you rejoining Project Zorgo?
Yeah, Daniel.
Yes, I am rejoining Project Zorgo.
Is he telling the truth?
Wow, Daniel. You really are joining Project Zorgo again.
Yeah, it says I'm telling the truth. Oh, yeah.
What now, boss?
Now, there is one last request I have before you are a member again. Press the button and drain the last of the oxygen in the Tesla.
Looks like he's all by himself. Like there's nobody there besides him.
Yes, he is alone, with no one to save him.
Nobody there to save him or rescue him?
Enough stalling. Press the button and become PZ1 once again.
Okay. Here it goes.